Hi there, it's Max Color at the Wenke Greenhouses. This time of year is always one of my favorites. It's 110 degrees in here and the place is empty. Had another pretty good year, shipped a lot of product, and by and large, the customers are very happy. What we're here to demonstrate today is another process that we're proud of that enhances what we try to do here to preserve the environment, and that's a recycling program that we're tackling, and it's grown quite a bit over the years. This is a bale of, as you can see, there's a bunch of 8-inch pots here, some 4.5s, hanging baskets, and what we do is our customer base will receive the finished product that we ship in these various shapes and sizes, sell it to their customers, and then offer a recycling program at their retail to bring the pots back once they've planted them in the ground. What they'll then do is nestle them, and we refer to it as honeycombing them, back onto the Wenke shipping carts. And when we deliver full carts, we bring back the pots for recycling on the shipping carts that they had just been stacked neatly and honeycombed onto. Our landscapers also take tremendous advantage of this program, and we encourage everybody to do so more, in that once they're done planting in the field, they put it back on the truck, back on the cart, and it comes right back to us. So we'll have more on this, and we encourage you to keep watching the video. But right here you can see it goes out to the plastic manufacturer, who then does a process of regrinding it, and it goes right back into circulation. Currently, I'm on our loading dock. This is where the trucks are just coming in and out throughout the course of March, April, May, and June. As the trucks come back, we hope to open the dock doors and see a ton of carts, because we need them to keep shipping, and it's great. It's kind of like a bonus when there's a bunch of plastic on there that we can use to recycle. Here you can see we're pulling a few off as we speak, so check it out. This is an example of a cart that just came back from one of our independent garden centers in Tennessee. As you can see, once again, they did a pretty good job of nesting the stuff together. It's not too strewn all over the place with a bunch of pots and a bunch of big nursery tubs and done inefficiently. As a matter of fact, I'm very impressed that they took the time to not only recycle, but help us do it together with them in a very efficient manner. From here, it'll go throughout the various parts of the greenhouse in our recycling process. I'm back here in an area throughout the year we refer to as FedEx, where we do a lot of our shipping of plugs and liners to other growers. However, as we transition from using it to ship via FedEx, it basically becomes an area where we do our recycling throughout the course of the summer and into the fall. What we're going to demonstrate now is how we receive it, get it collated in consistent sizing, put it on pallets, shrink wrap it, so it can then go to the recycler. I'm here by one of our shipping carts that had just returned with the product on it for recycling from one of our independent garden centers or landscapers. As you can see, it's got both pots and flats and a few hanging baskets on here. What Fernando is doing is separating the pots and the carry trays so that we can palletize the carry trays by simply getting collated and nested together, and shrink wrap them to go back to the plastic manufacturer for recycling, as opposed to the different process that we do when we have to recycle our pots. Currently, in an area you'll find me, Max Color, where we compact our pots that we receive back from our accountants to get them in the smallest configuration possibly, so then that these that don't stack nicely on a pallet can be placed on one after they've been baled to go back to the plastic manufacturer to have them reground. Right now you can see Fernando's getting it loaded up, and Fernando, that looks like a big red button that I'm not qualified to push. Why don't you show our audience how that works and what it does.
Now I can put more.
And there he goes. Just keep loading it up, make the bales like you might have seen earlier in this video, and away it goes. That's how we recycle here at Wenke Greenhouses. It's a very important process of what we do to service our customers, and as stewards of the environment, we try to act environmentally friendly in such a fashion.